Okay, this is going to be a short video. Um, what I have here is some corn seed, and it's what I grew last season, and it's called um, Incredible RM. I don't know what the RM stands for, but it's a nice sweet corn, a hybrid, and I had to buy a half a pound. That was the smallest quantity I could get, and of course I didn't, use hardly any of that amount. I still got, pretty good size bag full here. So I wanted to see if I could use it again this season without having to reorder. So what I'm going to do is conduct an experiment. I'm going to plant 5 seeds in each one of these pots, and right now it's the last part of January, and the growing season here starts around the second week of April. And so anyways, I'm going to plant 5 seeds in each pot and see how many, if any, come up, and if they seems like they're going to be all right, I'm going to replant those seeds this year. If they don't, of course, I'll have to either order another batch or something. Seems like a waste, so I'm going to see if these will still germinate after a season. So I'm going to plant them, and then I'll get back with you in about 2 weeks and see what they did. See you then. Okay, so it's 2 weeks later and we're back. The corn has sprouted and grown. Out of the 10 seeds I put in here, 8 of them came up. There's one right there that didn't come up, and one in the middle that did not come up. They mostly all came up around the same time, except for this one. He was about 4 or 5 days late, but he came on up. So yes, you can use corn seeds from the previous season. So that's what I wanted to find out. Now I won't have to buy any more. So I guess I had an 80% success rate, although 10 seeds is not a real scientific sample. I'd have to have 100 seeds to really say if that was 80%, but I'm not going to plant 100 seeds just to see if they're going to come up. So of course these aren't going to make it because it's still a month and a half away from growing season. So they're going to become fertilizer. So thanks for watching. See you next time.